Robert Heffernan, Endotech Analytics, streaming live exclusively for Pareto token holders. This is Blockchain Vitals. Blockchain Vitals, your daily show all about cryptos, blockchain assets. I'm in the matrix. I've been on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange for 25 plus years. Now they got me right in the matrix. And I'm slugging it away, and I'm bringing that technical-based trading strategies that I used for so many years in the commodity markets, and we're applying them to blockchain assets and trading these things. We had a little delay on our first attempt at this, and I am hoping that the delay is gone, because there's nothing worse than a delay. All right, instant confirmation. That's what the trading pit was. Instant confirmation. All right, so let's do the rounds. The first thing that jumped out at me today, crypto news-ish, as I surveyed the field, was poor Steve Wozniak. And I've talked repeatedly about how you have to be very careful in this space. And Steve Wozniak let everybody know that he got scammed out of his Bitcoin. I mean, for me, I'm technologically challenged. I know that. And you would think Steve has got a little bit more technologically savvy sense to him. And they stole his Bitcoin. Scammers stole his Bitcoin. I don't think you need to hear more than that to know that you got to be very careful in this space with your assets. So for real newbies, I would say stay with the major exchanges. Because it's the Wild West. It is definitely the Wild West. All right. Speaking of Bitcoin, and we're going to go to the vitals in just 1 second. I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about, other than Bitcoin, all right, the breadth of this market is just incredible. How many different coins that you can trade. And we've talked about that, and our AI engine is not only going to help with that, just the breadth, but it's going to be able to do it in multiple currencies, so multiple fiat currencies. We're going to be able to do crosses. That AI engine is going to be an incredible tool for trading these cryptos. Let's take the vitals, though, and talk Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. Let's talk Bitcoin. Currently trading 10,679. What did I say yesterday? I'll tell you what I said. I thought that they'd go test that up momentum level. All right. Yesterday, refresh my memory, 10,800 something, somewhere in there. 10,738 today. Toying with that area. They made the high of value. Look at that value range, 10,460 to 10,840. And again, they went and tested that level, almost to the dollar, came off of it. The key is you're going to get a close. You need a close above up momentum. As I said yesterday, I think when you look strictly at the potential of XRP or Nextcoin, they can have 3 to 10 times return if they went back to their highs, where Bitcoin is only going to double if it goes back to its highs. But Bitcoin is showing the most strength in the market right now. It's almost back in up momentum where the others are lagging. So, you can't discount that. You can sit there and hold one because if it went back to its highs, it has the greater potential for an X number return, but it's got to get into up momentum in order for that to take place. Meanwhile, you sit on the sidelines, and if Bitcoin can, rally 30, 40, 50%, and the other ones don't do anything, how have you serviced yourself? Again, the momentum is going to tell you. So Bitcoin, 10,738, the momentum level. They're toying with that. They can get a close up above there. Now you got that room to 12,918 in the collar, 12,918 collar on the daily. And it sure looks to me like that's the direction it's going. We got a short one for you tonight. I will tweet out today's sheet for tonight and tomorrow's trading action. I hope the glitch figured itself out. And if there's any questions out there, please leave them in the chat. I will be happy to answer anything that I can. I'll tell you right now that I come at it and will continue to come at it from a technical trading point of view. The thing about being in the pit really hammered that home because, where were you getting a rumor in the pit? It was all price action. And price action, really, when you take it from a technical standpoint and you have a frame of reference and a set of guidelines and rules, it really helps you become a more disciplined trader. And that's what I'm bringing to the crypto markets. I honestly feel that I was able to transfer and trade on screen much more effectively than so many people in the pit, because a lot of people just use the feel of the pit and just the inefficiency of that price discovery mechanism to make money for years. And on screen, you need other things. You need to have other disciplines in order to make money and long-term trading success. And that's what the Blockchain Vitals sheet will help you do. It will add a layer of discipline to your trading methodology. And I'll say it again, that it has to be your trading methodology, all right? You have to do the work. You have to educate yourself if you're going to trade these things. That education should be able to be transferred to other asset classes. I'm a strong believer in fractals, and so time frames will end up looking the same on these patterns. And also the patterns will represent themselves, whether they be tulip bulbs, IBM stock, corn futures, or now, Bitcoin, cash Bitcoin trading. All right. With that said, let's just take a look one more time here today, because we got a little bit of time, at that AI interface. Whoa, deep in the AI. Deep in the AI. That's what the interface is going to look like. It's going to have multifunctional tabs to investigate these markets, and we will be launching a beta of this very shortly. So look for a beta coming very shortly, and full functionality as we finish out the first quarter on this part here. So with that being said, have a great day. We will talk tomorrow on Blockchain Vitals, your daily trading show, all about blockchain and crypto assets.